Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn about pronouns. This is a requested video by one of you. I have a tip for you at the end of this video. Make sure you wait until the end. I make I handshake. Then this part where the thumb is the one that rests on the chest. So I, me, me, me. We use an index finger to point to self. Me, me, mine, mine, mine. We use an open palm and it rests on the chest. Mine, 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 mine. So it is the same open palm as mine, but this time we move it upwards slightly. Mine, mine. So my, mine. I, me, my, mine. You. This is the singular part. You. When you're talking about one person, you just point the person using the extended index finger. You. You for plural, you. We use the same extended index finger, but this time we make a semicircle in front of us, showing that there are many people in front of me and not just one. So, you. You. You are. You are. You are. We use an open palm, and this time the movement is going slightly down. His, his, his. So we touch the chin, then we make your. His, his, him, him. Girl, girl. So we make an A handshake, then put it on the breast, but right now facing up. girl, girl. She, she, she. Her, her, her. We make the shape A, put it on the breast, then later on add front of the sign. So her, her, has, 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 girl, she, her, has, our, our. So we make an O. This is O hand shape. Then put it on the side of the active hand on the chest. Then make a semicircle to the side where the passive hand is. So our, on, on, on. So we make an O, put it on the chest, then make an upward semicircle to make the sign on. So on, eat, eat, eat. Us. We make a U hand shape, then we use the same movement as our and we. Us. Us. Then us has two signs. The first one and then the second one is us. Us. We use an extended we, us, or us, myself, myself, myself. We use an extended index finger moving inwards towards the signer. Myself, myself. Yourself, yourself, yourself. We use the same extended index finger, but this time it's moving yourself, yourself. Himself, himself, himself. So we are touching the chin, then we do the sign for yourself. So himself, himself. Herself, herself, herself. we are making the A hand shape, facing up, touching the breast, then yourself. So herself, herself, then ourselves, ourselves, ourselves. So we use the extended index finger, both hands, then moving inwards. Ourselves, ourselves, myself, yourself, himself, herself, ourselves. They. So what you do is make an open palm, make a semicircle in front of the signer or in front of you. Then at the end you make Y. They, them, we make the same shape, the same movement as they, but at the end we make an M instead of a Y. So them, there, we make your, but this time we don't push it forward but across the body towards the passive hand. There, theirs, we do like we are sweeping using an open palm in front of our body towards the passive hand. Theirs, themselves, they, them, their, theirs, themselves. This for singular. This, an open palm and an extended index finger pointing downwards and moving in a circle, then coming back to the open palm. This for plural. This, both are open palms and one is moving across the fingers. Those. You use an extended index finger to point. Those. That. An open palm with the Y hand shape. So an open palm is facing up and Y rests on the open palm. That. Any. We use an A hand shape, then it's going inwards. The thumb. Any. Other. Same hand shape, but movement is outward. Other. This, those, that, any, other, when, when. 2 index fingers, one pointing up, another one pointing down, making a circle, then coming to rest on the extended index finger facing up. When. When. Where. Where. Where has 2 sides. And where. Where. Which. 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 So we make A hand shapes, both hands, then we move it alternatively. Which. Which. What. 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 So an open palm facing the side and an index finger going downwards on the open palm. What. What. When. When. Where. Where. Which. Which. What. What. Why. 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 So we use an open palm touching the forehead, then making a Y. 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 Who. 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 We use an extended index finger going round the mouth. Who. Who. How. 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 We use open palms, both hands going inward then outwards. How. How. Why. Why. Who. Who. How. How. This is the tip that I was talking about at the start of this video. If you want a deaf person to understand you well, even if you don't know exactly the signs that you use to express what you want to say, then you should use your body language and facial expression so that they understand you in a better way. Thank you so much for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up and comment in the comment section, and also share it to other people so that they can learn sign language with you. Watch more videos on your screen and subscribe to my channel by tapping on the round button on your screen. See you in the next video.